YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great and keeping safe. So it's been really long time that I uploaded a video on my YouTube channel. So I was thinking why not make a vlog, because I'm here at my sister's place and I've been having a lot of fun here with one of my most favorite human being, and that is tada! Hello all! So guys, this is my sister Mahima and we've been really close since our childhood. So we've been having a lot of fun since last 3 days. We've been cooking, watching movies and
gossiping.
Yeah, we've been gossiping a lot since since the day we met, because it's been a long time. So the plan for today is that we're going to make some good food and watch some movie. And what movie? Like this thing.
So
yeah.
So this girl here hasn't watched Parasite.
Okay, yeah.
So I'm making her watch that today.
Yeah.
And then
And
you want to eat something sweet and
yeah,
chocolatey?
yeah, because I just love chocolate. Anything with chocolate is fine for me. Yeah, really good chocolate.
So let's make some banana oatmeal chocolate pancakes.
Wow. Guys, I'm so lucky that I have a sister, someone who's making such good food for me. So I just can't wait to show you all the beautiful, delicious banana pancakes and what is that? Chocolate pancake. Okay, cool. So let's get started.
So let's start. So here we are taking half a cup of oats and then adding jaggery powder to sweeten it. Because this is organic jaggery, it's good for health, and we're taking 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder, a little salt, a small cinnamon stick, and then our star product, that is the cocoa powder. Because we want our pancakes to be extra chocolatey, we are adding 2 spoons of cocoa powder. Yeah, oh, I forgot to add baking soda. A little bit of baking soda. And now we'll grind all the dry ingredients. Now I'm adding banana, some milk, and then I'm grinding all of this to a smooth batter. Okay, what do we have there?
Wow, we have this
Some
amazing
big
fries.
French fries, to which we are gonna add this peri mix.
Yay! So guys, here is a beautiful, delicious chocolatey pancake and peri fries and the movie. So guys, that is it for today's video. I just cannot wait to dig into this amazing pancake. Oh my god. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be coming back with more vlogs and videos very soon. So do not miss any of the video. Please click the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Bye bye.
She has great content.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm so happy.
Bye guys.
Bye. And we actually have been watching a lot of movies.
Get in the Malli.
A B C D E F G A